Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Insightly CRM, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you download or export your contacts in Insightly CRM? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to download your contacts from Insightly CRM anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that it's pretty common for you to switch over to a different service provider, so you need to take your contacts with you. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Insightly CRM dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Insightly CRM, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you need to download your contacts, here on the left side, you're going to click on the contacts button. Once you do that, you're going to see all of your contacts in Insightly CRM. These are all fake sample contacts. However, if you want to go ahead and download or export all of these contacts, here on the right side, you're going to look for this button right here, export contacts and notes. Okay, once you do that, you can go ahead and click on this button right here. This is going to export contacts to a CSV file, so a spreadsheet. If you have notes on the contacts, you can go ahead and download those here as well. However, for me, I just need the contacts, so I'm going to click on this top line. Okay, it went by pretty quick, but basically the page refreshed really quick, and I saw a yellow pop-up up here confirming that my contact export in Insightly is in process, and I'm going to receive an email once the export has been completed. So let me go ahead and wait around for that. Okay, about 1 minute later, I got an email from Insightly. So there's not too many contacts in my Insightly CRM. So if you have a lot of contacts, it's probably going to take a little bit longer. This one actually took about 60 seconds. So here's the email, and all you're going to do is click on download file. Okay, a quick second later, the CSV file opens up, and this is what the spreadsheet's going to look like for you. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to download or export your contacts in Insightly CRM, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.